of a dog falling in a shark tank.
Wait, before we even get to that video, do you guys want a chance to win 50 million V-Bucks? Well, yeah, you gotta like and subscribe in the next 3 seconds to get it. And comment that you did it. Here's the chance to like and subscribe in the next 5 seconds or a spider will crawl into your mouth. Now let's get into the video. Wait guys, before we even get there, just wait for like 5 minutes. Watch till the end. It's gonna be crazy. Make sure to watch it. It's gonna be really crazy. Look at that dog. As you can see, he's about to jump off. You can see that he's about to jump off to get the free V-Bucks.
God, get back in the fucking car. Oh my God.
Oh, as you can see, the dog fell, and the dog fell. As you can see here, it's lying on its belly, making it look ground. So I never saw this yet, but I'm just saying that. As you can see, it's fine now. So yeah. All right, now like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Gotta hit that 10-minute mark. Gotta hit that 10-minute mark. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.